Step 1. Arrange components systematically. Remove the original vehicle bolts. Step 2. Position the cadet trail rail. Embed the bolts into holes of the side trail rail and the corresponding original vehicle holes and tighten firmly. Step 3. Press lock the latch into position and rotate to secure. Then insert quick release screws into adjustable locations and tighten nuts. Step 4. Repeat the above procedure to install the opposite rail section.